In this video, we present to you the ultimate off-grid generator manual. Are you tired of relying on the electrical grid for power? Do you crave independence and want to be ready for any situation? With our manual, you'll learn everything you need to know about off-grid generators. Let's get started. To begin, it's important to understand what off-grid generators are. These generators are designed to provide power in situations where traditional electrical sources are inaccessible or unreliable. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, living off-grid, or preparing for emergencies, an off-grid generator can be a lifeline. Our expert guide will walk you through the different types of off-grid generators, their features, and how to choose the right one for your needs. In this section, we delve into the installation and setup process of off-grid generators. We'll cover important considerations such as location, fuel sources, ventilation, and safety measures. Our step-by-step instructions will ensure that you can set up your generator efficiently and safely, minimizing any potential risks. We'll also provide tips for maintenance and troubleshooting, so you can keep your generator running smoothly. Now that your off-grid generator is up and running, it's time to explore ways to maximize its efficiency and output. We'll share valuable insights on optimizing fuel consumption, managing power load, and integrating renewable energy sources for a greener setup. Our expert tips and techniques will help you make the most out of your off-grid generator, ensuring that you have the power you need when you need it. Safety should always be a priority when dealing with off-grid generators. In this section, we discuss essential safety measures to prevent accidents and ensure the longevity of your generator. From proper storage of fuel to regular maintenance checks, we'll guide you through the necessary precautions. It's crucial to understand the risks associated with off-grid generators and how to mitigate them effectively. Congratulations! You've completed the ultimate off-grid generator manual. By now, you should be equipped with the knowledge and skills required to successfully set up and maintain your own off-grid generator. Embrace the freedom and self-sufficiency that comes with being off the grid. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Stay powered up.